In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted notes in Google Keep. If you've accidentally erased something important, don't worry. Google Keep has a built-in safety net that often makes recovery quick and painless, as long as you act within a short window. Here's the idea. When you delete a note in Google Keep, it isn't immediately gone forever. Instead, it moves to a trash, sometimes labeled bin, where it stays for about 7 days. During that time, you can bring it back to your main notes list with just a few clicks. Start by going to keep.google.com in your browser. Once the page loads, look to the top left for the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click that to open the side panel and then choose Trash or Bin, depending on your region. You'll see a list of notes that were recently deleted. Find the note you want to recover and open it. At the top, you should see the Restore option, often shown as a trash can with an upward arrow. Click Restore, and that note will immediately return to your main Keep list. If it previously had a color or a label, those usually come back too, so it should look familiar when it reappears with your other notes. Timing is critical here. Notes stay in trash for only about 7 days. After that, Keep permanently erases them, and they can't be recovered from within Keep. If you don't see your note in trash, it may have already aged out. Also keep in mind how shared notes work. If the note was shared and someone else deleted it, only the original owner might be able to restore it. Collaborators sometimes won't see that deleted note in their own trash, so it's worth checking with the owner if you're collaborating. If the note is no longer in trash, and it was synced to your Google account, your last resort might be to check earlier backups you've created outside of Keep, such as a previous Google Takeout export. That's separate from Keep's recovery and isn't a guaranteed solution, but if you regularly export your data, it may help. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account if you use more than one. Notes live inside the account they were created in. If you don't immediately see the Restore icon, hover over the note or open it fully to reveal the controls. And remember, once restored, your note goes back to the main list where you can edit, pin, or label it like normal. That's it. Simple, fast, and most effective within that 7-day window.